Welcome to this new video. Today we are going to see the trick of 9 series. This is a multiplication trick. Let's start. 5 into 99. The first step what we do is multiply 5 and 9. 5 into 9 gives us 45. We keep a space between them and the remaining 9. We put it there. So the answer is 495. 5 into 99 is 495. Let us see one more example. 8 into 99. 8 into 9 gives us 72. We leave a space in between and the remaining 9, we write it there. 792. Let us see one more example. This is with 3 digits, 3 nines. 7 into 999. 7 nines are 63. The two remaining 9s, we write it between them. 6993. 7 into 999 is 6993. Next example, 4 into 999. Come on, you solve on your own. Let us see how long do you take. Hope you got the answer. Let's see what's the correct answer. 3996. Hope you all have got the same answer. Thank you for watching this video. For more such tricks, subscribe to ScoreSmart Private Tuitions YouTube channel. Thank you.